Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So as you may see by the title, you already know the hairstyle I'll be doing today. It's crochet faux locks, and this is the hair that I'll be using. It's the Darling faux locks. It comes in a pack of 30, and in this video I use just 2 packs. Yes, you heard me right. It's 16 inches long, in case you're wondering. And so first things first, you saw me pattern this hair. I'm trying to do like 3-strand braids at the front and then connect it to the ones at the back. In this video, I'm not trying to do the normal cornrow crochet that we all know. This is a new method that I saw going on YouTube for a very long time, and I've always wanted to try it out. So here I'm done with the first one, and this is how it looked. I'm now moving on to the second one to begin my 3-strand braids. But before I move on to any further thing, once I braid to a particular length, I then join the first piece to the second piece, as you saw me doing here. Join it to the second piece and then do this all the way to the back. So for all my entire head, I did the front like this, and then in the middle and through to the back, I did the normal cornrow. So this is how my braid pattern looks like right now. So to begin, they had this goldish band in the middle of the locks. That's to prevent it from, getting on each other's way. And that was really helpful because it helped me, loop the hair in very well. Because without it, I bet you I would be doing the wrong thing. I wouldn't find the perfect loop to pass the hair through. So what they did was really, really helpful. I've got tons and tons of crochet videos on this channel, guys, like you won't believe it, that I showed you detailed tutorial of everything that I did. So this one I'm not going to talk too much. Just watch how I'm doing the thing and you get an idea of how to do crochet. If you want to refer to my old videos as well, I'll leave them in the description section for you guys to check through and refresh your mind. So I'm just repeating the process, same step over and over again. And as you may see, this particular braid pattern is so good and makes the locks look natural. Aside the fact that I got this hair in color 33, I forgot to mention earlier on, if I had chosen this hair in black, like it would really match my hair, my scalp, sorry, it would really match it and it wouldn't be that visible like how you are seeing it right now. But in all, I still did a good job. Like, I like the color anyway. It wasn't really bad. It looked natural than doing the normal cornrow in front and then doing the crochet. That one looked fake. Yeah, everyone would notice like it's fake. But this one was perfect. So I repeated the same step all the way to the back without changing anything. The only difference was that at the back I knotted the hair twice in order to make it more secure than what I did in the front. So that's the only difference. Okay, this hair you see here is just 2 packs. So in all I have 60 faux locks on my head. 60. So right now I'm done with the hair and this is how it looks like. Oh my god, I love this hair. I just went moved ahead to style it and this is the finished look. I hope you guys love this video and enjoy it. It's so simple to do and doesn't take time at all. If you love this video and you want to see more tutorials like this, please give this video a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay fab, stay beautiful, and please be safe. Bye guys.